Amanda.
Hi. Am I vlogging now? Did you push the record button?
It's on.
Oh my god. Thanks, babe. Alright, so I'm gonna try to vlog, aka have my boyfriend hold my camera as I do things. Because everyone asks me to vlog and I'm like, I don't know what to do with my hands. So, we're at Star Wars Celebration if you can't tell what I'm wearing. I'm Kira today. Weirdly. Here with Alex. Alex, wave and say hello.
It was totally out of focus.
It's fine. It's fine. I'm gonna have to edit so much out. trailer again. See?
Yeah, maybe it is. It looks like it looks like an interceptor, but it's a lot thinner than an interceptor. Look at the front of it. It isn't moving. I think probably this is yeah, it's just a tiny.
That is a stab. That is right to the ground. I don't think so. Yeah, right there, baby. Damn, that's so cool. That is the cool thing that's happening. Right there, baby. That's what I'm here for. Give me that Palpatine. Give me that Palpatine. Okay. Greg. Ooh la la.
Are you like new Greg or old Greg?
Do you drink blue milk out of the shoe?
Yes. Yes.
Drinks blue milk out of the shoe.
Just have like a light. You can add that. No, actually I should bring like where my flash is. Just
These people.
Lightning strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and so
We're here. It's Saturday morning at Star Wars Celebration, and I'm with my handmaidens. We're still missing some, but yes,
There were more coming behind us.
yeah.
Yay! Thank you.
Watch it.